Hello everyone, welcome back to Algorithmic Forge. We have uploaded the video of the quantitative research, like how to download the Yahoo Finance data or the stock data from Yahoo Finance using Python library. So go check out that video. Also, here is my LinkedIn. You can text me if you have any doubts, and also we will solve your doubts. Today I am going to teach you about the technical indicator, which is Bollinger Bands. Yeah, this is Bollinger Bands. So let's see what are Bollinger Bands and how they help us and everything about it. So basically, Bollinger Bands are a technical analysis tool used to measure volatility and identify the potential overbought and oversold conditions in the price. It can be also used in stocks, crypto, commodities, any type of items which can be traded. Okay, so what all are the important parameters of it? It has basically three main components. One is your SMA, or the one is your SMA or the rolling mean or the middle band. Another is your upper band, and third one is your lower band. I'll show you here. Wait. Suppose this is your stock, and if you want to put your Bollinger Bands, then this line will be this will be your SMA. SMA stands for simple moving average. Okay, but in this SMA we can't predict like where it can go down or up. We need a range, like a upper range and a lower range, to predict or to make a risk factor, like should we trade or should we should we undo the trade. Okay, for that there are two more bands, like this is the upper one, and similarly there is a lower band. In this Bollinger Bands, there are two main more internal parameters, that are window size and is num standard. Num standard means number of standard deviations. Okay, so what is window size? Window size means the rule, the SMA is average, and average can be taken for a number of days. Okay, so the number of days you are taking an SMA is your window size. It can be your 20 days, 50 days, 200 days, etc. Similarly, the num standard, or the number of times standard deviation, makes the what we can say here, this distance or the gap between the middle SMA and your upper or the lower bound more broader. Okay, if I set SMA to 1, then it will be closer, like the num standard to 1, then it will be closer. If I set to 3, then it will be more broader, like that. Okay, so let's see. This is we only interested in these three bands, that is middle, upper and lower. Middle band is basically the rolling mean, like it is the average price over n last periods. And then upper band is basically the rolling mean plus num standard, means standard deviation, number of standard deviation into the standard deviation. This is the rolling standard deviation. And similarly, the lower band is the rolling mean and subtraction of num standard into standard deviation. So I explain what is the num standard, like how wide the bands are from moving average is measured from this standard deviation units. Okay, and window is basically the past data points. Okay, so this is an Bollinger Band on a real data. Here we can observe, see, there are two main observations in this Bollinger Bands. One is oversold, and another is overbought. Okay, I'll just give letter A and B. Okay, if you observe A point here, we get to know that from let us consider this as also C. We can consider from C to A there is a sudden drop, okay, over a small period of time, but there is a drop noticed. And the candles, this all are called as candles by the way, and this candle is dropped such a way that it has crossed, see, it has crossed the lower band in this piece. When the candle is crossing the lower band, it means it is oversold in simple terms, okay. But it is not like 100% it will be true. The probability is like now stock will be drop is most, okay. In that point the stock is oversold at that point, and after this point we saw a small rise like here. Because the stock is oversold, now investors and the traders now start buying this short because the it is at the most lowest price, okay. Then they buy, then the stock goes upward, and when it reaches to this point, when the candle touches to point B, means to the upper bound, means now the stock is overbought. When the stock is your overbought, then the investors or traders or everyone who is starting investment, they remove their money. That's why we found here a drop. See, this is a tool to simplify this analysis, means for any strategy to be implemented, this tool can be only contribute 5 to 10%. Rest our will be our risk factors and multiple technical indicators, sentiment analysis, etc. We cannot predict by alone this indicator to we have to trade or not, should we buy or not, should we sell or not. Only by this indicator we can't do that. We require another indicators or some more help of some more factors like sentiment analysis, news, or we can go with another indicators like MACD, RSI. There are many, okay. This is about what I was about to explain. So let's I won't be confusing you onto this. Let's see the real market. Okay, so I'll just log in IND money. So see, I have here turn on my MACD. I'll just delete that. Okay, so see, just I told you like whenever the candle touches to the lower, then there can be chance the stock can go rise because it is now oversold. But it is a chance. It is not like it every time will go up. Okay, for that we have to add more indicators into it. Okay, but there are chances like see, it hit to this lower band, then it rise up till here, again it dropped, again it rise here also. When he hit to this lower bound, then it got up, then again down, then again up. So this is a trend, this is short term trend, okay. So let's I hope you have understood it completely. If you have any doubts in simplification or in theoretical way, you just ping me on comment. I'll explain you correctly or again in more simpler words. So let's start coding the Bollinger Bands. Yeah, so yes. So hope you have watched the RSI video also, which Vishal has explained you, and also you have watched my fetch download data video also. So I won't be again repeating the functions to make that process, else I'll be directly calling that function and I'll be using it. Okay. Yeah, this terminal is now working. See, now I have the data and all with me, but this tool is not working. No, don't worry, I'll it is taking such. Yeah, I'm not interested in RSI. Yeah, so data is downloaded and now we have the adjusted close also and everything we have. So I will directly start coding the BB bands, the Bollinger Bands. So I hope you know how to download everything. Okay, so def will create a function BB bands. Okay, so now as I explained you, in BB bands we required again first in our fetch video we require the ticker and start and end, but now we are not interested in the ticker or start and end. Now we need the price. Price means adjusted close. So I'll just enter price. Then we required period. Period means the window size. Okay, so initially here I'll set as 20 because it is ideal for any test case. And again we required num standard means the number of standard deviations. So here I will be set as 2. Okay, so now it is done basic parameters. Then will find the rolling mean or the SMA. So you can find like price dot rolling, then window is equal to period, then I'll calculate mean. Just copy this line again as it is and paste it, and now we have to find the rolling standard deviation. So here just write std, it will find the standard deviation. Now we will find the upper band. What is upper band? So the upper band will be up of the rolling mean. So rolling mean plus up num stand into rolling stand, and lower, what will be the lower band? It will again low, it will be at bottom side of the mean. So minus num stand into rolling ST. Then I'll just return all of 3 in order: upper band, rolling mean, lower band. This is the only function which we require to make. That's all, nothing more we are interested in. So let's test whether we are getting or not. So I have data, let me check. In data, what I'll do, I'll create three columns. One will be BB upper, then data BB mid, then data BB lower. So this 3, I am taking 3 directly because I am returning 3 in that order. Okay, now just call this BB bands and we'll just pass adjusted close value. Okay, as of now I am only interested in this period as 20 and num stand as 2, but yeah, we can update it too. So yeah, we have find, let's check whether we have got or not. See, yeah, we have got it. Yeah, you may find this nan because for some days the past 20 days data is not there, that's why it is nan. So we'll just drop that. Yeah, so the nan thing is gone. Now what we'll do, we'll just plot. Do I have plot? No. So import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Okay, so plot means plt dot plot. First we'll plot the data, adjusted close, title, label equal to, I'll just copy this name, adjusted close, let the color, then again plot dot plot, and I'll pass here bb upper, then color will be green, and line style will be like this, label will be bb upper, then again plt dot plot, then data, then mid, label is equal to rolling mean, then color orange, line style will be like normal line, plot, data, then lower, then label is equal to bb lower, then line style will be, and color is equal to green, then plt dot x label, x will be the data, sorry, not data, it will be date, and plt dot y label will be price, plt dot legend, and plt dot grid, I'll show in grid, and finally plt dot show. It must show us, yeah, I think the green color is not visible, no? So what I will do, I will convert to red. Yeah, so now it is visible. Can I see this data? Yeah. So guys, this is the data of Bollinger Band for BlackRock. Hope you know the company. BlackRock is the biggest trading company or the asset management company. Okay, so we can observe here the patterns, like here also it touched and it dries, not applicables every time, but yeah, if used with another indicators or another factor, this must be the powerful tool which help you in for the most profitable success. Okay, so I hope you understand how I coded. I hope you got to know what is the importance of Bollinger Bands and etc. So thanks for watching till end, and also I'll sharing this code. You may find this Google Colab link, and also if you want any improvements or any new topics from our side, just comment or ping me on LinkedIn. I'll surely reply you. And thanks for watching till then. Till then, take care and bye bye. Yeah.